Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a random suggested question in a poll on Facebook Messenger. If you want to add an element of surprise and fun to your polls, stay tuned for this full guide. Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already downloaded the Facebook Messenger app from the Google Play Store, go to the store and tap on it to open it. Step 2. Tap on the search bar and search for Messenger Facebook. Look for the app with a gradient between blue and pink featuring a horizontal lightning bolt. Step 3. Tap on the app and then tap on Install or hold the option and tap on Install for additional settings. Step 4. Once the app finishes downloading, tap on Open to launch it. Sign in using your Facebook credentials as you would normally do. Step 5. Go to a group chat with more than 3 members. Please note that the poll option won't appear in groups with fewer members. Step 6. Tap on the 4 dots near the camera icon on the input menu, and then tap on Polls. Step 7. Tap on Most Likely to create a random suggested question. To add an extra element of surprise, tap on the dice icon near the question field. And there you have it. You've successfully created a random suggested question in a poll on Facebook Messenger. Adding a touch of randomness to your polls can make them more engaging and entertaining. Use this feature to spark interesting discussions and discover fun insights within your group. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.